How to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV.
Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we will be discussing the steps needed to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Follow along and in no time, you'll be enjoying your favorite Android TV apps on your Samsung Smart TV.
Is your Samsung Smart TV compatible?
Before we begin, it's essential to check if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with Android TV. To do this, make sure your TV model supports Android TV or can be updated to an Android-based operating system. If your TV is not compatible, you will need to purchase an Android TV box or stick to use Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV.
Preparing your Samsung Smart TV.
First, you'll need to update your Samsung Smart TV's firmware to the latest version. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Press the menu button on your remote. 2. Navigate to Support and then Software Update. 3. Choose Update Now and let your TV update to the latest firmware.
Installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV.
Now that your Samsung Smart TV is prepared, follow these steps to install Android TV. 1. Go to the Smart Hub by pressing the Smart Hub button on your remote. 2. Look for the App section and click on it. 3. Use the search function to find Android TV or a similar app like Google Play Movies and TV. 4. Click on the app and select Install. 5. Wait for the installation process to complete, and then open the app.
Setting up Android TV.
After installing the Android TV app, you'll need to set up your Google account to access the full range of Android TV features. 1. Open the Android TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in with your Google account. 3. Once signed in, you can now browse, download, and install apps from the Google Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully installed Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV. We hope this video has been helpful, and you enjoy using your newly upgraded Samsung Smart TV with Android TV capabilities. Happy streaming!